Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create zoom in effect in CapCut PC. So it's super simple and very quickly, and just go to media, import videos, or just go to text video. For example, I'm going to add and to make zoom in, you can select animation and select in, and you can select or just right, going to select out and like mini zoom or just zoom in. Maybe for duration, zoom, and there we go. That's it. Or you can use the keyframe. So go back and make sure a first frame and go to basic and select keyframe button right here and scroll, so you swipe to the right until the end of the video. So you can just for scale and you can see for the final. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.